Good morning, YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. As promised, I received my self-watering tomato planter from VEGO, and we're going to go ahead and put it together and plant a tomato in it. Let's get started. So out of the box, we have the wheels for it, and we have the parts for the trellis. So I'm going to go ahead and put the wheels on, put it where I want it to be, and then we're going to put the trellis together, fill it, and then put the plant in it and fill it with water. I want to apologize for the voice overlay. Started having microphone problems again. So here in this clip, I am adding soil to the container. The container holds about 1 cubic foot of soil, and the bag that I'm pouring in is 0.75, and I'm going to add some from the other bag that you see laying there. After it is full, we're going to go ahead and plant the tomato, and then we will put the cage up. So here I'm planting a sweet cherry tomato into the container. So here we have the trellis connected, and now I'm filling the reservoir with water. There is a opening here where you could pour into it, or you could insert the hose. Either one works. Here I have a 2.5 gallon watering can that I'm adding water to it. There is a little ball that is on the right side of the planter, that as I add water to it, it rises and it will rise to its maximum level. And that lets me know that the reservoir is full. So here is the finished project. We have the sweet tomato planted. We have the reservoir completely full. Here you see that the um, notification bell is all the way to the top. And in actuality, it took about maybe 10-15 minutes to put everything together. And it's real simple. If you're interested in purchasing one, I'll put the link for VEGO on the screen momentarily. So I want to thank you for coming along with me while we put this tomato planter together. I want to thank VEGO again for sending it out to me. I greatly appreciate it. If you're interested in purchasing one, I'll put the link on the screen for you in the comment section, as well as the description portion of the video rather. Until next time, always remember to give the thanks to God, for without him we are nothing. Stay blessed, stay strong, and grow, grow, grow. Don't forget to give me a like for this video and leave me a comment.